Greetings from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am Dr. Vichula, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry. Now I am going to discuss about the topic air pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution is the presence of harmful substances in the atmosphere that affect human life and environment and climate. These substances may be solid particles, liquid droplets, or gases, and they can originate from natural sources or anthropogenic sources. Sources of air pollution. There are two types. One is natural source, another one anthropogenic sources. In this natural source include volcanic eruption, that means release ash, sulfur dioxide and other gases into atmosphere. Wildfires produce smoke containing particulate matter, carbon monoxide and volatile organic compounds. Dust storm means lift vast amount of dust and sand contributing to airborne particulate matter. Then biological processes, emission of pollen, mold spores and other allergens from plants and animals. Oceanic sources like sea spray and natural marine emissions can release salt particles and sulfur compounds. The anthropogenic sources include transportation, industrial activities, power generation and agricultural practices. This transportation includes vehicles, that means cars, trucks, buses and airplanes emit nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons and particulate matter. Then industrial activities means factories and power plants emit sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide, then volatile organic compounds and heavy metals. Power generation means burning of fossil fuels that generate emissions such as carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. Then agricultural practices, we are using fertilizers and pesticides in agricultural land that release ammonia and volatile organic compounds that are also the anthropogenic sources. Then waste disposal and landfills, household activities like cooking, heating and using certain cleaning products that also emit volatile organic compounds and particulate matter. Then construction and demolition, dust and emissions from machinery contribute to particulate matter and other pollutants. Air pollutant. The compound substances in the air that can affect human health and the environment that are called air pollutants. They are classified based on their origin, chemical nature and impact. Classification of air pollutants. Primary pollutants that directly emitted into the atmosphere. Example, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides. Secondary pollutants that formed in the atmosphere through chemical reactions. Example, ozone, formed from nitrogen oxides and volatile organic compounds in the presence of sunlight. Smog, formed from various pollutants. And criteria pollutants, commonly monitored pollutants due to their health and environmental effect, that are particulate matter, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, ozone and lead. Effect of air pollutants on human health. Respiratory issues, irritation of airways, increased asthma attack and chronic bronchitis. Then cardiovascular problems. Air pollution can lead to heart disease, hypertension and increased risk of heart attacks. Neurological effect. Some studies suggest link between pollution and neurological diseases including cognitive decline and conditions like Alzheimer's. Cancer. Long-term exposure to certain air pollutants is associated with increased cancer risk. Next one, developmental issues. Exposure during pregnancy can affect fetal development, leading to low birth weight, preterm birth, and developmental disorders. Ambient air quality. This refers to the condition of the air in the surrounding. It is measured by the concentration of pollutants present in the air. Major pollutants are nitrogen dioxide, particulate matter, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, ozone, and volatile organic compounds. Emission standards. These emission standards are regulatory limits set to control the amount of pollutants released into the atmosphere from different sources to protect public health and the environment by reducing harmful emissions from industrial processes, vehicles, and other sources. Types of standards. Primary standard protect human health. Secondary standard